So you want to know what type of business you can start with $500? Or maybe you're asking, what business can I start with $0? The good news is that starting your own business doesn't have to cost a lot of money up front. You have many options for businesses you could start for under $500, and just as many you can start for no money at all. We've listed out 13 businesses you can start for under $500, with 10 ideas that will require no money up front. Before we jump into the video, please note that I may earn a referral fee from the services and companies I feature, but rest assured, there's no extra cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Busy is professional formation service to file your LLC. It's an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Don't forget to check out the link and full review of Busy in description down below. What business can you start with $500? While many people might think that starting a business will require a significant investment upwards of $1,000 or more, some key businesses can take off with a minimal investment of $500 and some as low as $100. Number 1. Personal trainer. Becoming a personal trainer is one of the great low-cost business ideas for those who have a passion for fitness. The physical fitness industry is worth $96.7 billion worldwide. It's a consistently strong market that presents a strong opportunity for success, and it doesn't cost much to get in the door either. To become a personal trainer, your main expenses will be a space to operate from. This could be your home or your clients' homes. Professional certification. Marketing to recruit your clients. Number 2. Mobile notary public. With the rise of remote work, people have come to rely on many conveniences from their own homes, including mobile notary services. The total cost of becoming a notary public comes in under $100. Once you officially become a notary, you will be required to purchase a notary stamp or seal and a surety bond. Number 3. Senior home care aide, non-medical. Becoming a non-medical home care helper for seniors requires a minimal upfront investment but is an increasingly high-demand business. Consider the growing number of seniors in the U.S. By 2034, there will be more seniors in this country than children. Due to the rising cost of nursing home care, more and more seniors are staying at home for longer and longer. And these seniors are in need of in-home services. Some states require caregiver licenses, which can cost additional money up front. Number 4. Holiday decorator. If you are someone who loves the holiday season and decorating, then you might consider starting a business as a holiday decorator. Becoming a holiday decorator does not require certification. Your clients will pay for the supplies you use to decorate, plus your time and ideas. Therefore, this business idea does not require much money to invest up front. You will need some supplies in your toolbox before you start decorating, and these items may include a ladder, extension cords, and other tools. After you have the necessary supplies, all you will need to pay is whatever amount you want to spend to market yourself. Number 5. Transcriptionist. Many people don't realize that there is an opportunity to start a lucrative business that doesn't entail much more than listening to some of your favorite content. Online content creators are looking for people who can transcribe their videos and podcasts so that they may use the transcriptions for further content. To start a business as a transcriptionist, you will only need a few pieces of equipment, some of which you might already have, including a computer and a good pair of headphones. Transcription software will cost a few $100s and make you more efficient at the job. Number 6. Start a small rental business. If you already own property, then renting out a portion of it can be a lucrative small business to start. And this doesn't require you to outfit an entire vacation rental or get a new roommate either. You can start a small rental business with just a parking spot, a storage closet, or a backyard. Starting a rental business on such a small scale is a great way to get into the rental property business to see if it's something you might want to grow into. You won't need to pay much if you already have the space, but costs could include some minimal cleanup charges and paying a website or app to help market your rental property to potential customers. Number 7. Home repair business. For under $500, you can invest in some good tools to get yourself started with a home repair business. Marketing costs will be minimal, with the old-fashioned flyer method or some homegrown social media posts on neighborhood groups being the most affordable and effective options in the home repair industry. Be sure to check if you need a business license, which can cost a small fee. We recommended researching what those fees are in your state before starting your business. Number 8. Sell goods online. Around 76% of American adults shop online, and the online shopping market is expected to hit $5.5 trillion in 2022. If you want to get in on this market, you don't have to invest in a ton of inventory and set up an online shop. You can start an e-commerce business with a little bit of money through dropshipping. Shopify and Amazon are the most common dropshipping platforms, and they charge anywhere between $1 and $40 to start. Other than the cost of creating your website, there really isn't much more you will need to spend initially to start selling goods online. Number 9. Personal concierge. If you are a task-oriented person who likes to help others, you can start a personal concierge business for less than $500. The investment to become a personal concierge can even be less than $100 if you already have a reliable computer. The website TaskRabbit is an excellent resource that helps personal concierge businesses market their services directly to people who are looking for help. The site charges as low as $25 to register. Number 10. Cleaning business owner. With more and more people working from home, there is an increased demand for residential cleaning services. To start a cleaning business, you will need a minimal investment that includes some basic cleaning equipment, such as a mop, vacuum, microfiber cloths, and some cleaning products. Some home cleaners even charge their clients for cleaning products or use products purchased by their clients, which will keep your upfront costs even lower. Number 11. Painter. It doesn't cost much to buy the supplies you will need to start a home painting company. Most project prices will include the price of paint, but it is expected that a house painter will provide their own paint brushes, rollers, buckets, drop cloths, and ladders and scaffolding. These supplies can be purchased for less than $500. What business can you start with $0? The next is Number 12. Pet sitter. In 2022, 70% of homes reported owning at least one pet. If you love animals, you can turn that interest into a lucrative business with no initial investment by becoming a pet sitter. The client will often provide all of the supplies needed for their pet, including food, a leash, and a pet's bed or crate. That means all you need to provide as a pet sitter is a safe and comfortable home, the attention the pet requires, and the ability to communicate with the pet owner. Last and final, number 13. Dog walker. If you love animals and exercise, then you might consider starting a dog walking business. With more and more people returning to work in 2022, there is an increased need for help with the dogs everyone adopted during the pandemic. That means your dog walking business, which requires $0 to start, is going to be in high demand. Owners will provide their own leashes and any other dog walking equipment needed. You would be smart to bring your own bags for cleaning up dog waste, but these don't even have to cost anything. You can repurpose plastic grocery jobs to get started. When you're ready to name your dog walking business, make sure to research your business name and make sure it's available in your state. Use our business name search tool for guidance. And no matter which state you choose to start an LLC in, Busy can help you do so for $0 plus state fees. Busy has helped over 1 million small business owners. Form your LLC $0 plus state fee. It includes free registered agent service for a full year. Check the link in the description box down below. The full review of Busy is also given.